Now let's shift our focus to this numbering over here at the very front. Now we can always come here and choose numbers. Oops, and you can see it has gone from number to this. Why does that happen? Okay, click over here, expand it to its fullest, okay, so that it fits. The reason for that is because it is too short. Okay, the width was too short just now. Once you've expanded it, everything shows. But this is not what we wanted, because they got 2 decimal at the back. So we try to eliminate the decimals. Okay, oh, this is expanding the decimal. This is reducing. Okay, reducing the decimal. But once you reduce it to no decimals, you can see that that dot naturally goes away. How do we keep those dots on? Now that is the question. So you can always come over here, okay, instead of just numbers, you click, roll all the way, more number formats, and you are presented with a lot of options now. So for numbers, you can determine the decimal points, the currency, again decimal points, accounting, date, time. Yeah, you're free to explore this by yourself. Now I want to draw your attention to custom. Now for custom, for our case, we just want a number, okay, that's followed by a dot. So this hash over here, it actually represents any number, okay? So any number and followed by a dot, and that's the format that we wanted. Press OK, and you see it over here. And what about this total? This total over here. Well, you will learn it later on in the next video. I mean, the next introduction to Excel, where we explore the functions of Excel and how we write mathematical expressions. But for right now, you just take it as it is. So start expression equals, because we can see here quantity is 1 and the unit price is 500. So I want to multiply this 2. So to multiply, you just say, oh, I want to multiply this cell, which is E10, multiply with quantity, which is D10. Okay, multiply these 2 cells, and you can now fill in the expressions automatically. Excel has this feature that automatically maps whatever things that you type into the expression, and it will just match it with the next one. Yeah, match it for the next one. So you can see here it is E11 multiplied by D11. And over here, next row and the next row. You can always come to this tab here, formulas, go into show formulas, and you can see the whole bunch of formulas over here. Okay, just now it was showing you the exact results. Okay, you can audit your formulas in such a way. Now, right, this little things, yeah, this little borders is not what we wanted. So again, you can come here and say, I want to eliminate all this. So you can either do it from here. You can either do it from here, more borders, remove, okay, remove that middle, that border in the middle. Press OK. and it's automatically gone, right? And the next one, the last one over here, it should be the grand total. So grand total over here, I want to type in sum of the whole bunch of values. Okay, you can either do this, then you're selecting a range, right? It gives you the value, or you can say, oh, I want to define this whole bunch of cells, give it a name, say these are the total, TOT, and instead of selecting this, I can give it a name, TOT, and it gives me the same result. Okay, so we have formatted quite a bit. And next one, let's have a comparison. Yeah, it's right about just nice. And perhaps I would like to just further underline this. Yeah. Okay, so that's done. Now, you can actually lock this bunch of cells. How do you do this? Well, for Excel, you can come over here in review. Most probably you assume that you pass it on to your friend. You don't want your friend to edit anything in this selected cells. You can come over here to review and then protect sheet. Select locked cells and give it a password. Test, and it will prompt you for another round of password confirmation. test. Okay, so the changes here are locked in. You can no longer put anything over here. You cannot edit. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, if you want to unlock it, okay, to make changes, unprotect. To select this, just put anything over here. Unprotect. Give it a password, TEST, and there you go.